As you can see on my dashboard right now, it says $273.54 on my dashboard of CPAgrip right now, and this real proof of this on my CPAgrip dashboard. I'm going to walk you through the step by step how I was able to make this kind of money with using a free traffic method. So stick with me, guys. Welcome back to my channel once again. My name is Richmond here. Welcome back to Online Hustles Academy. On this channel, I teach people how to make money online, CPA marketing, and anything related to making money online. So if you're somebody who's new to this channel, kindly subscribe and turn on notification bell so that whenever I drop one amazing video, YouTube will notify you, and you'll be the first person to implement that same method to get this same results. So as you can see on my dashboard, I have 273.54 cents dollars on my account right now, and this super real. So I'll walk you through the step by step how I was able to make this kind of money on my CPAgrip account using free traffic method. The reason why I made this kind of money, I decided to do this, is that most people are commenting that my account balance is showing 00, and I'm showing you guys how to make money online with CPAgrip. So that's how I decided to make this kind of implement this method to make this kind of money with the free traffic method that I'm going to show you, so that you it will serve as a proof to you guys that I've been using this kind of method to make money online. So without further ado, let's get down to today's business. So before you can get down to this use this step method, all you need to do is to go to Google and search for CPAgrip, and hit on enter. And because I've been using this CPAgrip for a long time, that's how it shows on my dashboard instantly in my search bar. So all you need to do is to sign up for an account, and I'm going to walk you through the step by step how you can sign up for an account. So let me log out from my account and show you guys a proof of how you can set up for an account on CPAgrip. So as a newbie, all you need to do is to type in your first name, your last name. Your company can be your nickname or anything, any name that you remember in the nearby future. And your website, you can go to Google and type in any copy any URL and paste it there. It's not that necessary. Type in your street address, which is your current location that you are. Select your country. Do not use VPN because they are going to block you if you use VPN. Type in all the necessary details. Go to Skype, sign up for an account, and paste your Skype ID over here. And your publisher type, make sure to select website or instant, and then GPT. In between this, you are going to be get up instant approve, and then type in your password. Choose your zone, time zone. You can go to Google and search for your time zone. Tell them where you heard about them, which is on YouTube, because that's why you are watching this video right now. And make sure to select all these three boxes and then hit on register now. So I already have an account that I'm going to use for this video right now. So I'll log into my account straightforward and dive straight to today's method. So I'll hit on login. So as you go through the necessary procedure that I showed you earlier on, you are going to land on this platform on a dashboard like this that looks similar to this thing. All you need to do is to go to Google and search for make money online apps, and what you're going to do is that, okay, so right after getting to this dashboard, all you need to do is to look at the apps that have most reviews and like this, ratings, and then the rest. So let's move on to Google Play and get this kind of apps. We don't have to download them. All we need is the URL of those apps, and we are going to use it for this magic. So according to Google Play, this app is having 4.3 ratings, and they have 2.84 million reviews. So all you need to do is to click on share button over here, and what you're going to do is you're going to do content locking. Very good. So all you need to do is to copy this URL and move back to your CPAgrip account, and what you're going to do is to hit on monetization tools, and then URL and file locker. You move straight to that place. So on the URL and file locker, you can see that I've already created some over here. The URL and file locker is that you're going to log the URL to this app, and then what you're going to do right now is to click on new, and then click on accept and continue. And what you're going to do is that you're going to log this URL and share it to people that need platforms to make money online. So what we are going to do right now is that on the dashboard of this this file and URL locker, all you need to do is to hit on move this show offers to 5, and then select a template that is going to help you. So move to template section and then select a template like this. Yes, like this. That's like normal robot section over here, and then move to general. And then what you're going to do is to change this place, customize this thing over here to move forward. So what you're going to do right now is to complete the captcha below to get okay. So let's check complete the offers below to show the human proof. So let's move to this place, and then okay, so as you can see over here, it says complete an offer to get the app. So now we are going to share this app URL to these people, and when somebody clicks on that to get this app, what they are going to do is to complete an offer. So where it says URL logged URL, all you need to do is to paste this link over there. And this app, we don't own it, but we are going to share it to these people and then get money, get paid from them. So right after doing this and doing all the customization, you can play with this, and then make sure to type in the name like money app. So as you can see, this is the app URL that we just logged right now. This is the locker that we created right now, and what you're going to do right now is that let's move out to Google and then download some stock photos like paper payment received. Okay, so you can download like paper payment proof and then paper payment method receipt or screenshot. So any of these is better. So I will hit on paper payment proof, and then what you're going to do right now is to download this kind of photos, and we are going to share this thing on so when it comes this way, all you need to do is to hit on images, and it's going to move you straight to Google, show you some images that you can download over there. So right now, okay, so this thing says 250 paper. You can download any image of your choice. Yeah, so let's move straight to any image that you can download is enough. That shows money received in your account is okay. So you paid. Okay, this not, that means we are the one going to pay somebody and then has sent you. Okay, so let's download this kind of, this one is okay. So I'll hit on that and click on save as image. So any image like this sent you, this and that sent you is enough. So I'll rename it like paper received. So as you can see, it's being downloaded on my PC. And what you're going to do right now, because if you leave this, is to copy this URL over here and go to Google to share it to people. That means they're going to block us. So what you're going to do right now is that I'm going to go to Google site and create a landing page for this. So let's move on to Google site. Okay, so I'll hit on that and then open it, create a landing page for this link, and move straight to Google site and Facebook and share this link over there. For that, they are not going to block me for that. But if you share this, Facebook itself will block you from that accessing Google site, accessing them with this kind of link from CPAgrip, because most of the websites see this as a threat to their website, so they will block you instantly when you decide to share this kind of link on their platform. So when you get to this place, all you need to do is to hit on this big plus icon over here, and it's going to load you straight to a new landing page site. Okay, so as you can see over here that your page title, so all you need to do is to delete all these kind of things if you don't need them. But for this, because I want this video to be very short, I'll do all the customization behind the scene and show you the proof of everything. For our landing page to look very attractive, this is how I've made it, simply as that. So you can copy what I did right now to make more go and replicate that thing on your site. So new make money online app, and come to the bottom side and click on paste it here, download now. So what I did was I came back to the Google Play Store and copy some of the images and paste it over here. So that's how I made this kind of landing page on my website. So what I will do right now is go back to this place and hit on copy link, and what you're going to do is copy this link and then copy this link over here, and then come back to this place where it says download now. I added it, so I'll just highlight everything and then hit on this URL button over here and paste the link to this place and then hit on apply. So boom, we are now done with the step. The serious or the difficult one. Now what is left is to share this link. So I'll give this link a title like make money online. As you can see, I've name it make money online. So all I do is to hit on publish, and I'm going to publish this kind of website right now, as simple as that. So website, all you need to do is to type in any unique name that you're gonna make it. Okay, so let's wait for this place to check. Okay, so it says it's already been taken, so I'll change it to 23 and then see whether this name is available. 2300. So you type in until we see this place says or this thing over here be marked. So I'll hit on publish, and then this thing is going to publish our landing page right now. And what you're going to do is to go to facebook.com and create an account. If you already have an account, log into your account and go to Facebook and begin to share this kind of links in the Facebook groups. On Facebook, what you need to do is to hit on search for search Facebook. So you need to hit on this place. Because I'm using a computer, that's why the interface is like this. So on your mobile phone, it's going to be looking very different way. Or you can hit on groups and then search for any group. So I will type in make money online. And hit on enter, and it's going to pull up all the groups that talks about how to make money online, or the groups that people are joining simply because they want to make money online. So after searching for this kind of groups, all you need to do is join most of these groups, and what you're going to do is to create a convincing post in addition with the paper payment that you downloaded from Google to add it as a proof. And most people are going to click on your link, and when you get conversions, that means the money is going to reflect into your account. So this is how I was able to make this kind of money. I don't want this video to be long. Go out there and then do it. Make sure to type in convincing message so that people will click on your link, and with that you're going to make a lot of money instantly with the method I'm showing you. So I'll end here, and thank you very much for your time. Make sure to go out there, replicate this thing, and to make money online. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you got value from this video. Until I see my next video, don't forget that I do love you guys. Bye bye for now, and see you in my next video. Stay safe. Peace out.